Master active and passive voice with 20 surprising examples. He cooks dinner. Dinner's cooked by him. 2. She drives the car. The car is driven by her. 3. She reads a magazine. A magazine is read by her. 4. She wrote a letter. A letter was written by her. 5. The snake bit the farmer. The farmer was bitten by a snake. 6. He bought a car. A car was bought by him. 7. The dog chased the car. The car was chased by the dog. 8. Ravi painted the entire house. The entire house was painted by Ravi. 9. My mother made a cake yesterday. A cake was made by my mother yesterday. 10. The police arrested the thief. The thief was arrested by the police. 11. We paint the wall. The wall is painted by us. 12. The cat drank the milk. The milk was drunk by the cat. 13th. My brother drew a robot. A robot was drawn by my brother. 14. They visited the hospital. The hospital was visited by them. 15. They caught an insect. An insect was caught by them. 16. I played the guitar. The guitar was played. 17. The children drew the house. The house was drawn by the children. 18. She learns German. German is learnt by her. 19. We played chess. Chess is played by us. 20. He writes novels. Novels are written by him. Please subscribe to English Vedas for more such videos.